Ladies and gentlemen, today's date is July 1st, 2014. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus yen. My email is greg@gregmikefx.com. My Twitter is gregmikefx. And you can also, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button. Let's take a look at the dollar versus yen. I'm starting with a daily chart here. You see this trend line connecting a low to a low to a low right here. I'm going to zoom in on that trend line. And if you look at that trend line, the trend line comes in at 101.59. What was the high for today? 101.58. Keep that level in mind. So we're finding some resistance against the underside of the trend line. Not far away from that, by the way, at 101.65.9 is the 200-day moving average. Also an important resistance level for the dollar versus yen. So although the price is higher, ran into some resistance level. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. And if we look at the move down from the high that we saw on June 24th down to the low that we saw on June 30th, where is the 38.2% retracement? 101.58, right by that 59 level, right by that 65 level, which is our 200-day moving average. So the price is finding a cluster of resistance, 38.2% retracement, old underside of the trend line on the daily chart, 200-day moving average, all within about 6 or so pips of each other, and that has forced the market back down below that blue line here. That blue line represents the 100-hour moving average. So there's a little bit of a profit taking after a nice little rally today in the dollar versus yen. A move back above the 58 to 65 level is what the bulls need. If it can't get above those levels, then we could see a rotation further to the downside in this currency pair. My name is Greg Michalowski. This has been a look at the dollar versus yen.